Greetings! I hope you are having a pie-tastic day. In this demonstration, we will draw two shapes using Python lists and the keyword none. We will also learn the importance of switching directions when drawing multiple shapes using the same array. We have already drawn shapes by creating separate X and Y arrays for each shape, but the same can be done more efficiently using just one X array and one Y array. The trick is to insert the keyword none into both arrays to break the line. We will use the fact that arrays are Python lists, and Python lists can be added together. Notice that we are drawing the triangle in the positive direction or counterclockwise, and the square in the negative direction or clockwise. Direction is a key feature of vector graphics. Recall that a vector has both direction and magnitude, which in this case is the length of the line. Drawing shapes in opposite directions allow us to fill the area between the square and the triangle. You may want to investigate the non-zero fill rules to understand the math. Let's step through the program to see how it works. Lines 2 and 3 import our libraries. We rename matplotlib to plt and numpy to np. On line 4, we define our list of x values, xf, by adding the X array for the square, the keyword none, and the X array for the triangle. On line 5, we define our Y values, YF, by adding the Y array for the square, the keyword none, and the Y array for the triangle to form YF. On line 8, we write the fill command with the arguments xf, yf, and the color orange. Finally, we call matplotlib's show function to display our image. As you can see, our show command displays the area between the square and the triangle as orange, with a blank triangular hole in the center. Try failing the non-zero rule by drawing the two shapes in the same direction to see what happens. It's amazing what a simple math trick can do when working with vector graphics. See you in the next video.